The EV momentum is definitely building up in India. We are seeing so many brands entering in the two-wheeler, three-wheeler as well as the four-wheeler EV space. But what about the batteries? What about the consumption play when it comes to the EV battery pack? Herein we are seeing companies like Amara Raja and Exide getting excited about it and pouring into this particular space, wherein both the companies have actually made their plans public in terms of expansion into the lithium-ion battery cells. And now Amara Raja has come up with the announcement that the plans that they have announced earlier, where they are going to be investing 9,500 crores in their lithium-ion battery plants, there they have actually took a step ahead, and they have actually set up a giga corridor for the lithium cell and battery pack manufacturing, and that is India's largest giga factory for the EV battery packs. And that plant is being set up in Telangana, and the company has announced the setup of the phase 1, where in talking to the management, they say that the phase 1 of this particular investment will require around 2,000 crores of rupees. And in that, if we see the bifurcation, then the phase 1 is expected to be completed in the next 24 months, where the focus will be on setting up this particular plant, this giga factory. Along with that, they also be investing in an engineering center that will cater, or that will take care of all the R&Ds that the company has done in the past, and now finally getting them into the place. So all that 2,000 crores of rupees that the company is planning in the phase 1, they say that the fulfillment of that will be done on the accrual basis. The cash the company already has, and that is what the company has made public. The particular facility that we are talking about, the Telangana unit, that will be a manufacturing unit with a capacity of 16 gigawatt. The unit will cater not just to the Indian markets but also to the international market. But the big question is that how much India could be dependent when it comes to the manufacturing of the EV battery pack, because a lot of these the raw materials are now being imported from the international markets. When asked about this, Amara Raja management says that for now, if we are producing a single battery pack, then 25% of the contribution could be localized, or rather from the domestic markets, and 75% would be import dependent. But going ahead, given that so many news flows, so many work that is happening on ground with regard to localization, as well as the key to note is that now India is exploring, or rather discovering, the lithium reserve. We have already know that there are lithium reserves being discovered in states like Rajasthan as well as Jammu and Kashmir. So with all those news flow that is building up with regards to manufacturing, they expect that from 25% of localization in the next 5 years, this could scale up to over 60%. So that's another positive management commentary that is coming up. If we talk about the contribution for now, then China actually controls 75% of the lithium refining, and going ahead, that will be key to watch that how India can take this step ahead over them. Onto the competition that is building up, because EV space is gathering momentum. They do expect that the competition is there. There will be more players getting into the system, not just Exide and Amara Raja leading the way like they have been doing in the lead acid batteries. But onto the lithium-ion batteries, they expect that the revenue growth in the lithium will be higher going ahead when in comparison to the lead acid batteries, and that will be purely because these lithium-ion batteries are more expensive when it comes to the comparing them with the lead acid battery. And lastly, when we talked about the segment-wise performance, then there too they are getting or coinciding with the industry consensus that the two-wheeler and the three-wheeler space are two segments that can have more of the momentum building up when it comes to the EV penetration, and then we can see that catching up into the commercial vehicle as well as passenger vehicle side. But nevertheless, step ahead in terms of the EV battery packs manufacturing, and that was the news flow on Amara Raja batteries.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.